Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start under the sink, turn off both water valves and put a towel plus bucket to control spills. Once done, shine a flashlight and use a mirror to locate the clip. Holding the sink to the counter, many are at the flange. Make sure you have pliers, a flat screwdriver, and a small wrench. Clip pliers help. You'll work in tight space, so position yourself comfortably. Begin by clearing insulation or debris, so the clips and mounting bolts are fully visible and reachable. You next support the sink from above. Use a helper or prop it gently. This prevents sudden drops. Then, back off mounting nuts in small, even increments 1/4 turns to relieve tension. Once loosened, compress the retaining clip with pliers or a clip tool and slide it outward along the track. Some clips pivot when freed. Remove rubber gaskets and any adhesive carefully so the flange stays intact. Make sure to place hardware in a container so you don't lose pieces for reassembly. You finish by lifting the sink just enough to slide clips or brackets free and set them aside. Once removed, clean old sealant and inspect the sink flange and countertop for cracks. Replace any warped or broken clips before reinstallation. If a clip is seized, apply penetrating oil, wait 10 to 15 minutes, then use controlled heat from a hair dryer to expand metal slightly and try again. If the sink shifts unexpectedly, resupport it and tighten a temporary prop. Safety first, then proceed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.